Oh, Muria, Zimbabwe, as you can see here, this man is love. So we are preparing to go back to Harare because I have a flight to catch. Tomorrow I will be back in my base and I won't be able to address that rally in a bed. I won't be able to cover his live tomorrow, but we will see if we can get a correspondent who is going to assist us tomorrow. But as you can see, people are determined. People, they want change, and people are ready for change. So in Zimbabwe, we really demand change. We really want change, and we are bringing change to Zimbabwe. Change is coming. So don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Don't let anyone discourage you, because all we need in Zimbabwe is change. All we need in Zimbabwe is to make sure that mukomana are not in the leadership position. All we need in Zimbabwe is to make sure that governance becomes from the people, not from a few individuals who are greedy and who are masquerading as leaders, yet they are not leaders. So just think for yourself, as you can actually see that Marondera was ready, has been ready, and is always ready for the leadership of President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So I believe that this is definitely our last address here in Marondera, as we are now heading back our base. As I said earlier, we have a mandate to deliver. I have to other business to do elsewhere. So we are concerned, and we really need change. So this is it. Yes, life in Marondera. So as you can see, people are very happy and they are very jubilant. This is very interesting. We have never seen anything like this in the history of Zimbabwe, and this is new. So thousands and thousands and thousands, just because of the fear of victimization, they came to be part of this rally. But with the thousands we observed here in Marondera, people are ready. We have talked to a lot of people here in Marondera, young people here in Marondera. They said they are determined to have change. Want to change, they really want to change the situation of Zimbabwe. So it is going to be very interesting in Zimbabwe. So as I promised earlier, this is our last address possibly here. So we are now heading back to Harare. Let's see